This video is for educational purposes only.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the hottest topics out there, activating or unlocking Microsoft Office without spending a single penny. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just setting up your PC, I've got the ultimate guide for you. So grab your device. Hit that like button, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let's dive right in. Microsoft Office is amazing, but let us be honest, not everyone wants to pay a hefty price for Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. What if I told you that you could use all of it for free without paying a single rupee or dollar? So let us start. First, we need to click the Start button and type PowerShell. Make sure to click and select Run as Administrator. This step is essential. Without it, the trick won't work. Note, you need to have internet working on the device. Otherwise, this is not going to work. Now, in PowerShell, enter the command exactly as shown. It's currently flashing on your screen, so be sure to type it correctly. You'll also find the command in the video description for easy access. After typing the command correctly, hit Enter. Now we will get a new window with some options. As we are going to activate the Microsoft Office, we will simply press 2 on the keyboard. This option is safe and working. You'll be presented with a few more selections to choose from. Simply press 1 on the keyboard to start with the activation of Microsoft Office. Success sequence initiated. Boom goes the dynamite. Bang bang. Just like that, Microsoft Office is activated for life. No more expiration dates, no more headaches. You're officially in control, ready to conquer projects, master presentations, and crush those documents like a boss. Enjoy the ride and let your productivity shine. Time to fire up Microsoft Word and put things to the test. Boom, activated and ready for action. No more trial mode, you're officially operating on full power. Your support means the world to me. I'm pouring my heart into creating more tech-savvy videos and valuable content for you. Every like, share, and subscription helps this channel grow and keeps the passion alive. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If this helped you unlock Microsoft Office without hassle, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. And hey, don't forget to share this with someone who's still struggling with Office setup. Let's make productivity free and easy. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments. I'm here to help. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious.